Hello, this is Clay.
ゆみです。
Yesterday we talked about ame, rain, how to pronounce rain. And today the other example is bridge, chopsticks, and edge, which is normally, I guess usually you say hashiko instead of hashi, right?
端っこ。
Hashiko is
端っ
the
こ
more
っていうね。
normal way, but there are three different kanji, three different words that all have the ha and shi pronunciation. So let's go through just how to pronounce each one first. So chopsticks starts high. Think of trying to reach a tree like a fruit or something high and bring it down with your chopsticks. So how do you say chopsticks?
箸。
Hashi. Okay, one more time.
箸。
Up, down. Okay. And then bridge is like, it's like you go up and then you start low and go up as you go up the bridge. So that would be
端。
hashi.
端。
Okay. And then edge is also the same thing. You start low and you go up.
端。
Okay. So these two sound identical, except here's the difference. If you put a particle after the word, it changes a little bit different. So both of these are hashi, but with a particle, let's use ga. How would you say bridge?
橋があります。
Do you hear that? It goes low, high, low. One more time.
橋があります。
Okay. But for edge, it would stay high. So,
橋があります。
do you hear that? So I'm going to say this, but listen to her. It'd be hashiga. But this one would be hashiga. Right? Okay, one more time from Yumi.
橋があります。
Okay.
橋があります。
Okay, that's good. So let's do this one more time with the particle. And so this one just starts high and everything else is low after that.
橋。
And with the particle?
橋があります。
Okay, so it just starts high and goes down from there. And then bridge
橋があります。
and edge.
橋があります。
Okay. So, thank you.
バイバイ。
Bye-bye.